विजुअल घेता बंद कर.
हांगा आयले सुपरवायझर विचारले तो म्हणटा टॉमे कार्वालो आनी ताची फॅमिली. आतां सरपंचान परतो फोन केलो. सरपंच म्हणटा सरपंचाक डायरेक्ट उलयलो सेक्रेटरीक. तो म्हणटा टॉमे कार्वालो इज ओनर ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टी. हय आनी हे लेबर पळय हाय सांगताय ते सांगता दिस बिलोंग टू द कार्वालो फॅमिली.
I was called, I am basically ex-attorney of the comunidade of Cortalim, and I'm an NGO. I was invited by my colleagues here to come for a site inspection. At their request I came here, and I have observed a few illegalities which have occurred here. Like there is a illegal construction, there is rubble extraction, and there is hill cutting going on, and also to add to that there are 2 water tanks which we do not know if they are for sewage or for storage of water. Now earlier some people had come here to check, and that time they tried to contact the person who was doing this activity, but that same person denied. Now when the laborers who are working there were contacted, and they told all of us here that it was Tome Carvalho, resident of Cortalim, who was doing this activity. So the Panchayat is now in the process of taking action as per the law. That is our demand, and I think so the Panchayat is cooperating with everybody here, and I have to personally thank the Sarpanch and the secretary for coming with us here to see the illegality.
कोणती भितरल्या भितर आमगे प्रॉपर्टी घर बांदताय जावं एक सेफ्टी टँक बांदिला. हितू बोगले आमगे हे आहा टँक आहा आनी हे टॉयलेटी हे बांदिली हिंगा. सो दीस इज नॉट फेर नो वॉट इज डुईंग. आनी विदाउट इन्फॉर्मिंग पंचायत हे व्हडले स्ट्रक्चर काडला. आमगे गोंयकार इलिशीक खंय बांदीत जाल्यार रोखडे आमकां बोवाड घालता. But this fellow in the hill where nobody reach, आम पावना हिंग पोतपोतून. बट एसो जाग्यार तेणें हें सगलें केलां. सगलें रॉबलचें काण थिंगा सगलें रॉबल काण आख्खी रॉबल लायलो. सो that means he's cheating us. Understood, ne?
Madam, your name?
My name is Angeline Tellis.
See, first of all, I have not been informed of any site inspection. I have not received any notice from any authority, and as such I am not aware of the site inspection in the first place. The second, what I would like to say is that people ought to know what is a comunidade. The majority of the people have no idea what is a comunidade and how comunidade grants land to applicants for the various purposes, be it housing, be it agriculture. Well, as far as I am concerned, because I don't have any idea about what site inspection that they have done, but Mr. Antonio Carvalho has been granted by the comunidade in an auction land at measuring 30,000 square meters for the purpose of cultivation of agricultural plantation. So he has been granted, and he has paid the comunidade the respective money, and he has carried out cultivation of more than 700 to 800 plants comprising of cashew, mango, jackfruits, kokum, nutmeg, and several other varieties of plants. And what has been done is some 2 sumps have been put, because the plants will have to be irrigated, because this particular land was a rock. So that for the purpose of cultivation, for the purpose that the land was granted, there was need to carry out digging of pits, and the pits have been dug about 1 cubic meter each, and the plants have been grown, and that is the actual physical state of land that you will see there, you follow. And there is no objection from the comunidade or for the concerned person who has been granted the land to build a structure for the purpose, because when you have 30,000 square meters granted to you, you are free to put your structure. Whether the permissions from the concerned authorities, or what I understand, the file is before the concerned engineer who is processing the file with regard to certain permissions, and the permissions will be obtained if some of them are yet to be obtained.
आमकां कोणें सांगलें येतलें मरे आमी
म्हाका दिसता 7 दीस देखून जाल न्हय they have complained. So immediately with the very next couple of days we had put it before the body meeting and immediately I have issued the inspection notice, because unless and until we observe we cannot take any action. So that's why I, Zamika, Panchayat, Panch member, secretary, along with the complainant, we are here. When we inquired, the workers who are here, they themselves has mentioned the owner's name. So accordingly, we are going to take action. We have done the panchanama report, we have done the inspection report, everything. There's been hill cutting also observed here. So accordingly, through the concerned department, we are going to take the actions very soon.
मॅडम आता तुमकां पयलीं लोक म्हणटा की इट वॉज डिनायड अर्लियर बट नाव डू यू हॅव द ओनर्स नेम
See, denied means when the complainant, 4 or 5, 6 of them, they had come to my office and they had mentioned the name verbally. So I had told them, unless and until you all give me in writing, I cannot take the action legally, because I, being a Sarpanch, I have to go by law. Till date, they did not mention the name. If they had to mention the name that day itself, I would have issued the notice to the complainant. You always tell me, because the panchayat, the current panchayat, all the 11 ward members, we are always there for the people. Anytime I've told them, tumka kesli difficulties aha o kite aha, you all can anytime approach to us, and accordingly we are going to take the action. Jad na te amchi pore elole, I had told them, so tumka so to hobora account culprit, please mention the name. Without you all mentioning the name, how can I issue the notice to any particular Tom, Dick and Harry? I cannot. So accordingly, they did not mention. Today when we came to the site, the workers have mentioned the name. Now we got the name of the person who's doing this. So accordingly, we are going to take the action. They said the amche workers are tege te workers are sangla Tome Carvalho mon. And when we phoned also, it has been he has said that you all issue the notice mon. So accordingly, we are going to start with the legal procedure.
सर्वे नंबर 115/1 up to 27 बार पे हा तेका आनी 128 सर्वे नंबर कोर्ताली कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी विलेज कोर्ताली मुरुमगांव तालुका हाचेर इलिगल कन्स्ट्रक्शन चल्लां. सरपंचा काडलो आमी, सरपंच म्हणटा हें रिकॉर्डान ना. त्या एक सेप्टीक टँक मारल्या पळय ताणें दाखय तुमकां ही, आनी ताणें वॉटर टँक मारल्या. तेजे भायर ताणें ही व्हडली पळय मिशनरी घालून एक्सकावेशन केलां, सगळें इलिगल. तेजे भायर ताणें फातर रॉबल व्हेले, हांगा दाखयता तुमकां सकयल रॉबल व्हेल्या, ट्रक लोड ऑफ रॉबल. आतां हे कोरस सायत येतलें, सोमींग जातलें. रॉबल व्हरता रॉबल डांप केल्ले आहा थंय. आतां एज पर द कोमिदाद कोड हे लँड्स बिलोंग टू द कोमिदाद. कोमिदादीन कितें आहा, आफ्रामेंत दिल्लें आसता. त्या लँडार गार्डनिंग करपाचें, प्लांटेशन करपाचें, कॉमर्शियल करून विकपाचें न्हू. इज वायलेशन ऑफ द कोमिदाद कोड. कोणाच्या नांवार जावं ती. दिस लँड बिलोंग टू द ओरिजिनली कोमिदाद. As per the planta, the land belongs to the comunidade.
You are from the comunidade.
I'm not from the comunidade. Oh, John Philip Hatumai.
Who